Oh my god, I have to get it. There's Aurora. While I was putting this on my lips, I was thinking about her. It's so beautiful, guys. It dries up right away. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this Colourpop Romance Set Ultra Matte Lip Set. They are beautiful, guys. Honestly, guys, I went to the store. I didn't see this. I saw this online on ulta.com. You can check it out, guys, if you wanted to see. But they're really good deal right now. When I got it, guys, it was super nice. When I saw there was an ultra matte lip set, oh my god, I have to get it. It has that beautiful color, guys. Let's try this. So we're going to start. This is Souffle. That is the color of this. So you guys know, the other night I was going to sleep, then one of my friends texted me. She's like, hey, go outside, check it out, the skies. I went outside and looked at the sky. I said, oh my god, they're so beautiful. There's a aurora. It's out. It was really beautiful. But I just wanted to tell you guys that, because I don't know why, but I'm telling you guys anyway. Let's start with this one. This color on my lips right now, it's so beautiful, guys. It dries up right away. It's super nice. You know, I'm doing this and I was just thinking that one of my friends actually would love this color. I was thinking about her and I was like, man, if I show her this color, she'll be like in love. It even looks good on me. What do you guys think? Let's move on to and Chill. It looks beautiful too. This is the brown color, guys, with my pink eye wing. The great thing about this one, guys, that dries up right away. You really don't have to worry about waiting for the time to dry your lips. This one dries up right away. Let's move on to the next one. My next one would be the Love Bugs. It's that color right there. It's close to brown, but it's not brown. It's nice too. Will be perfect on fall. When it's fall, this is gonna be a perfect lipstick. Or Thanksgiving, something like that. Don't you guys think? Because it has that beautiful brown, but it's not too dark colors. It's nice. Okay, next. Because I want to go to Sephora. I haven't gone to Sephora for like 6 months, I think. The Sephora is a little bit far in my house. Ulta is just 10 minutes away from here. And then Sephora is like 30 minutes or 25 minutes. I was thinking about going there. See what they have, you know. There's other things, new stuff that's in there. But let's try this one, guys. This is red. Ooh, it's super red. Look at that. This is super red. It's not a bad thing, guys. It's actually good red. It's just really, really red. What do you guys think? It's beautiful. It has that very reddish, at least red. Really, really red, guys. Let's move on to the neutral color. We're gonna try the bundle, guys. Beautiful pink. Kind of like a pink, but not pink. This is nice. The color, guys, is really beautiful. Really, really pretty. It gives you a kissable lips. This is a really nice, guys. I like it. See? The next color, guys, would be Flores. The last one right there, that's Flores. I think this is gonna be my favorite one because this is a really nice pink. I love pink, and this is a very soft pink that I probably my favorite one. Except that this is a full size. I love mini, but it's okay because I can carry this for a long time and I'm not gonna run out. It's get my lips fuller, right? It's really nice. The next one will be the Timeshare. Will be the very last one right there. This one also super nice. You'll have like a really natural eyeshadow or look for this one. Even just a regular day look or something. And then you'll have this one, a beautiful pink or light pink. It would be a really perfect one. I don't know, for some reason, guys, this one is actually like, this set actually give you a fuller lips. It's really pretty, really, really pretty. And then I'll show you guys. It's because there's so much this one, guys. My lips is actually like, okay girl, it's like you've been cleaning up your lips. It's kind of like, it's painful, guys, when you keep removing your lipstick, and especially it's matte. It's hard. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to show you guys the other color. But we did try 2, 4, 6, 7. We tried 7, guys. Let's get this one. This color would be the Avenue. It's like a reddish brown mix to it. It has that beautiful color as well too. This one is Mama, and Mama's color is like an orangey looking. The next one, guys, will be a Pixie. I think I would like this one too. It's a really nice color too. It's beautiful, huh? Next is the Fugu. The very end is called like Fugu is there. The very last one is the Luxe, guys. It's kind of like the dark color. So that's all the color, guys. So you guys can see from the beginning to the very end. What I'm wearing is Fugu, guys. I think I'm gonna try this one. We should try this one, guys. I noticed that the longer that you didn't remove this lipstick on your lips, it's actually stay, and it's hard to remove. That's really good. This one is the Take Me Pixie color. It's beautiful, guys. It makes my lips like fuller, like in a good way fuller. This is really nice. What do you guys think? It's really nice too, huh? So now I have like 3 color that I love for this set. Really like it because all of them are like really nice matte. So I'm really happy with this one. They might still have in ulta.com, but the last time I checked there was only one, but then I tried to buy again and they said it was sold out. So I'm not sure if there are more, but check it out. You can go to colourpop.com, which is, I'm gonna put it on below this video, like description, so you guys can see and where you can buy this one. It's actually really nice. It's full size and it's ultra matte. If you love matte, I do love something like not shiny on the lips. It has that beautiful colors. There you go, guys. I hope you guys like that review for Colourpop lipstick again. I know, guys, I do a lot about lipstick review because I love lipstick. I think it's a junky lipstick. I have so much lipstick now, so I don't know, like I get like so excited on the lipstick every time I see that, you know, pop on my Facebook or pop on my Instagram. You're browsing around on your Facebook and on your Instagram, and then there you go, there's a beautiful lipstick like saying hi to you. What the heck? It's like you don't wanna buy anything, but then you ended like, I wanted to try that. That's kind of messed up sometimes. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my fun and crazy video, and also my giveaway. So my community, I will have a another giveaway in there, so you guys check it out. Okay, so don't forget, let me know what you guys think about this. If you already have this, tell me about your opinion for this one. So but anyway, thank you so much and bye.